Hi, Jack. Hello, Lily. What do you like to do? I like to play. Do you like to read? Yes, I like to read books. Do you like drawing? Yes, I like drawing. Do you like painting? Yes, I like painting. Do you like singing? Yes, I like singing. Do you like dancing? Yes, I like dancing. Do you like playing games? Yes, I like playing games. Do you like sports? Yes, I like football. Do you like football? Yes, I like football. Do you like swimming? Yes, I like swimming. Do you like cycling? Yes, I like cycling. Do you like puzzles? Yes, I like puzzles. Do you like board games? Yes, I like board games. Do you like building blocks? Yes, I like building blocks. Do you like singing songs? Yes, I like singing songs. Do you like drawing pictures? Yes, I like drawing pictures. Do you like playing outside? Yes, I like playing outside. Do you like playing with friends? Yes, I like playing with friends very much. Good hobbies are fun. Yes, hobbies are fun. See you tomorrow. Bye. Have a nice day. See you in class. See you, Jack. See you, Lily.